Hello and welcome to another iSaham video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how we can evaluate the market in 3 ways. Let's get started. First off, we have the most simple way, which is looking at the FBM KLCI index. We just scroll down here and look at the chart. It is very visual. It's easy for people to understand. If the chart's going downwards, that means the market's not doing well. If it's going up, then the market's going great. As you can see right here, very easy because it's visual. You can just go and see that market is going down currently. You can also scroll upwards and write that it is at negative 0.28%. Now, as for the second method, we can just look at the winning and losing counters. Where can we find that? You can find that on M+ at the top bar over here. Now, this represents the winning counters within the market, and this represents the losing counters within the market. Now, if the losing counters is greater than the winning counters, that means that the market is going down. Now, if the winning counters is greater than the losing counters, that means the market is going great. Let's move on to our final method. Lastly, we have iSaham's market mood. As you can see right here, it's styled as a meter and it's quite appealing to the eye. Now, what you need to know about this meter is that there are 5 phases. First is extreme fear, neutral, greed, and extreme greed. I'll be explaining each one and what does it represent within the market. The fun thing about the market mood is that it gives you the psychology of the market. At extreme fear, usually investors are at a state of panic and are selling off their shares. For those who like to buy shares at a discount, this would be your moment to strike in and purchase all of the shares at a great discount. Now, moving on to fear, this is when people are only beginning to worry about the market, and as you can see, the market's counters are starting to turn red. People who are trend trading should really take this phase as a resting phase and trade on another time. As for neutral, on the other hand, this is when the market is at a point of indecision. Whether the market's going to go up or going to go down, it's really unsure yet. So at this moment, we should always monitor and look at the current direction of where the market is going. However, just because it is at neutral does not mean that you cannot profit from this. There are a lot of counters that can still give you a sizable amount of profit if you play them well. Moving on to the next phase, we have greed. Greed, on the other hand, is when the market counters are turning green, and it is really a moment for people who are trend trading to take this advantage and invest everything they have. Extreme greed, on the other hand, is when all the counters are doing well. There's not really a chance for you to lose any money here. However, you should know that extreme greed, this is when the market can do a correction at any moment and switch back to neutral or straight into fear. I think that's all we have for today. Thank you very much and happy trading.